Okay, well, getting ready to take the 2019 SS Camaro to the drag strip for its debut. Its very first time on the strip. Let's see how she does. Hopefully we get a 8.2 or 8.3 in the 8th. We'll go find out. See how this old man does with that new car. In case none of the GoPro's working. That is a beautiful orange and white striped Camaro up there. That thing's a monster. You ought to hear it run. If these GoPros work, you guys will see it. They're a burnout here in front of us, I think. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe we stage behind it so it doesn't blow rubber all over us. This is my very first time on the strip. There, come in. Well, we're fixing to do our first race. I don't have any of these camera angles ironed out yet. Can't get them to connect to the Wi-Fi. So our very first time on the strip might be a flop on video process. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, because I've never done this before. So this could be interesting. Got you guys mounted on chest mount, so you can see the. Hopefully you can see the. Hopefully you can see the controls, the speedometer, what we want you to see. Also have a helmet cam here, but I don't know. Could be interesting there. Come in. Track.
Go in front of it.
All right, here we go. Is this the burnout pit right there? So this car has line lock control as well as launch control. I have never played with it, so I'm having a hard time for the first time trying to get it into line lock. I had it set up. But then I put it in reverse back in the drive. It got kicked out, and so I couldn't figure it out. It just wouldn't work. I'm having severe difficulties. So I needed more seat time in the car. This was not the time or the place to try to figure the car out.
Gotta run, go.
Okay. And you can't hear yourself think over that car next to you. So when I came out of the bleach pit, I tried to do just box it up like old school box. Get up, so brake torquing. This thing has torque management control, and it will not do it. It just will not, even with everything turned off and brake. So I need to play with it some more on the streets. Get that figured out. So now the car automatically goes into launch control mode. We go to the tree. Tires are wet. As I said, you can't hear yourself think from the guy next to you. And so the car just went sideways and we lost it. Alright, so we really blew that a while ago bad. So we're going to try this again. Because we blew that really bad. So what happened was we couldn't get everything working right. I couldn't hear the car. We went up in smoke, man. Went sideways, crossed the other lane. It was really, really embarrassing. So we do not want to do that again. So we asked for a buy run, which means we're going to go by ourselves. Because we got to figure out this line lock control. Got to figure out. Because a while ago we really messed up the line lock in the bleach box. We didn't do it at all. And we got to the tree. I'm listening to her. When we got to the tree, we stability control was off and traction control was off, and we went up in smoke. Tires was wet. You ready?
Wait, no. Wait till it runs. Wait till this guy's signal. There you go.
Much better run, much better. I didn't get off, I didn't floor it. I kind of feathered through it and let it do its deal. So that was a lot better, a lot cleaner. So curious what the time was. Whew, this is nervous stuff, man. Gee whiz. Car sounded fantastic. Still wants to go. I think I'll let Rufus drive it if he wants to. Rufus is my nephew. He's a pretty good driver. But we went home after this run. It was a horrendous day. 2 hours in the staging lanes just to run 8 seconds. It was crazy. May not ever go back. It's just not my cup of tea. Pull up here and get our ticket and see what we got. Thank you, sir. Sure. You have a good day. Thank you, sir. Sure. You have a good day. All right, that's 8.4 in the 8th at 89 miles an hour with a 2.15 60 foot. So not good. The car has a lot more in it. The car probably doing 8.2 easily with the car doing everything. Put some slicks on it, do some good burnouts, get some traction, do some driver management. In other words, let the driver shift the car. You might be able to get a little better. But that automatic 10-speed is a pretty wicked machine. But we will probably never know. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. And if we ever do it again, we'll get the camera set up correctly. And we'll see y'all on the next one. So yeah, there you go. So what I was saying, we had no seat time in the car. Didn't know how to do the line lock, launch control. Didn't know how to get out of the line lock control. It locks in for 13 seconds, so there's a lot of learning curves there. The cameras could not get the Wi-Fi connected, so we need to spend time with the cameras at home and spend time on the back roads with the car to get everything set up correctly. This was not the time or the place to get it done. But it was our first time, and my very first time on the drag strip. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't be too critical if you've never done it. And first time, we all got to walk before we can run at some point in our life. You guys have a good day. Appreciate you watching. See you on the next one.